You know, many people want to speak in English, but they think अगर मैं नहीं बोल पाया तो
I want to start my own business, but what if I get failed?
I want to tell her that I love her, but what if she rejects me?
I want to travel the whole world, but what if I couldn't?
I want to accomplish my dreams, but what if I couldn't do?
I want to change this world, but what if I unable to?
Okay, but what if it does work? What if you started your own company and the company getting clients?
What if you tell her that you love her and she said yes?
What if you accomplished your first dream of getting a high paid job and then you started crossing all the things in your dream list?
What happened? Isn't it feel real and exciting when you thought about it?
When we visualize ourselves doing the things makes us this much excited, then what if we actually doing it?
You know, what's the one thing that is coming between you and your goals? It's your own false doubt. That what if it doesn't work?
In this universe, nowhere it is written that whatever you will think will not going to happen. It is up to you whether you are working for it or not.
So why wasting time on thinking what if it doesn't work? Think what if it does work and how you gonna make it.
Because I know it will work.